Bro, what are you doing there? Why there got Sunflare? And the color look not so good?
Kanina, let Coco teach you. Let's Coco teach you. They have the camera setting inside the Hubsan app. So you can tap the setting list, the camera. You can see the setting list, ISO, exposure, shutter, saturation, contrast, and sharpness. This all you can adjustable. For the Sunflare issue, you can either choose to change the setting of the camera or change the angle shooting of the point. They have another option too to remove the Sunflare. That is the ND filter. As I know, the Zino 2 ND filter will release soon. Let me try. We try turn here. But now you can see we doesn't have any Sunflare in the screen. Now we try here. Okay. I try to adjust some saturation. Okay, this is the color adjust. Okay, the saturation adjust, you can see the difference here. If I turn the 0, just black. Okay, so we try like 100. So and then we adjust the shutter. Okay, so we reduce the shutter. Okay, so now you can see the Sunflare at the right bottom here. Okay, so let me adjust the other place because we can't adjust it to we can't adjust out the Sunflare. If you need the perfect video quality, you have to use the ND filter to reduce the Sunflare. So now we try to turn the other side and let the Sunflare gone. Yeah, you can see the Sunflare is gone, right? And the color is very clear and very beautiful because I had been adjusted the saturation. We no need to edit on the PC. Just try to adjust the saturation inside the app's camera setting here. You can see the different. The original is 60. Okay, now the 60 is like that. You can see the screen is like that. If I adjust the saturation to 100, you can see the color is already changed. The green you can see is very beautiful, the color. Okay, so this is the exposure. If you want to adjust it, you can try. You can try half. Yeah, you can see it. It looks very clear than just now. Try And more a little bit. 10,000. Yes. Now you can see the color is very beautiful. Now I've started to record it. Okay. This later I will let you see another original file. We recorded for 1 minute. Okay, I'll stop it, the record. Now I change it all original automated. I change it all automated. The saturation original is 60. So I'm record it. The camera setting is still same, 4K and 60 FPS. White balance automatic, color ordinary. So you can see, just to compare to just now or automatic, the color is so much different. Okay, done. Okay, this is an original, all automatic now. Automatic 60/60, all automatic. So let me try again the Sunflare. Let me find it. Let me find the Sunflare side. Wow, 老鹰在上面。老鹰在上面。You just saw the eagle, right? Now we try find the Sunflare. It's hard to find now. You see the eagle? Whoa, the eagle. You see? The Sunflare is very hard to find. Not every time you got the Sunflare. If you got the Sunflare, try to find the other place, the other place to take your photo and to record the video, or to adjust the just now the setting. Try to adjust it.
We need to adjust 才可以找到嘛。
Yeah, because just now we need to adjust, and then we will find the Sunflare. You see, now it's hard to find the Sunflare. Nothing. You can see nothing. Yeah, just a little bit in here, the center. You can see. But this is, for me, I think it's normal.
可是我们要去调出来，
调出来。You see, this is normal because the camera is direct to the sun, the sunlight. Never mind. I now try adjust the
Low
Sunflare to
battery
you.
warning.
Do
The
you
drone
see?
is under return to home soon.
I adjust the exposure. Too much. setting, adjust the saturation, you can see the Sunflare. Sorry, not started.
调好了再转。
But you see, I already adjust the saturation. You can see, just has the little bit at the right bottom right. You can see it. But now the color is very
Low battery warning. The drone
see
is
just a
under
little bit.
return to home soon.
Here you can see here at the right of the button here. If I turn back the saturation back to the normal is 60. You can see it's gone. You can see it's gone. How about we try the sunny day? Yeah, it's nothing. It's still same. Sunny day, cloudy day. Yeah, just same. So try adjust by yourself. So this is let we see the original file. This is inside our SD card. We chose the video. This all is our video. And let's see, just now we recorded. Okay, so let's see. Sorry, not this one. So let's see without adjusted. Okay, so this is without adjusted. The all camera setting is an original. Okay, this is all original. This is original file. This is original file. And you can see there doesn't have the Sunflare. Doesn't have the Sunflare. So let's see after adjusted. After adjusted is this. So this is after adjusted the saturation, the camera setting. So you can see the color is different. You can see the color is much different than just without adjusted. You can see, and this is also an original file. No edited, no edit. This is original file inside the SD card. You can see this is original file, and this AA also original file. So I let you see something as our previous record one. This is previous record one, and this we did not adjust any setting. This all automatic. All setting is automatic. You can see the sea color, all the tree green is very nice. You can see this. It's very nice. Okay, this is an original, no edit and no adjusted any setting. So now you see the difference.
Yeah.
If you don't have an issue, please contact the Hubsan Service Center, okay?
Okay.
Because don't forget you have still 1 year warranty official Hubsan.
Everyone got?
Yes, everyone have it.
Okay.
Everyone have this 1 year warranty. Any issue, just please contact the Hubsan Service Center.
Okay.
As a smart guy, don't because your personal problem to affect the other guys have been placed order of the Zino 2. Okay?
Sorry, sir.
So guys, don't be influenced by two hyperrides. They always talk yak yak yak.
Okay, sorry.
So guys, do your own evaluation. Okay? Please subscribe our channel. Thank you.
Through the back door.